All right, folks. Today we've got a textbook sovereign citizen meltdown on our hands. This guy's in court for trespassing, and of course he starts with the classic "I'm a living man" nonsense, like that's some kind of legal force field. You can't make this up. He's rambling about conspiracies and acting like the entire court system is out to get him. But the real MVP, the judge, she shuts him down with a level of calm that deserves an award. Straight up mic drop moment. It's hilarious to watch. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's jump into this courtroom chaos. I'll never understand why these sovereign citizens don't just get a lawyer. Like, what's the game plan? Yell some made-up legal buzzwords and hope the judge backs down? This guy's up there rambling like it's open mic night, rewriting the Constitution in real time. And the judge? Way more patient than I'd be. If it were me, that gavel would have broken in half by now. It's a circus. But hey, at least it's entertaining. All right, here's what's going on. Jill Gillette is the county prosecutor in this case. And look, if this guy's frustration is real, I get it. But that doesn't mean you treat your court-appointed lawyer like the villain in your imaginary legal drama. The attorney doesn't even know the dude. He's just trying to help. But no, instead of taking the help, our guy decides to shout about his rights without actually knowing what they are. Classic sovereign citizen energy. Sabotage your own case, then scream that the system's rigged. Predictable. Okay, did anyone else catch this moment? Dude genuinely thought the judge was talking directly to him, and his reaction had me cracking up. At first, he seemed like a full-blown sovereign citizen hitting all the usual keywords, but then he calls the judge sir, and suddenly he sounds respectful? Maybe he's not full sovereign citizen? Maybe he's just the diet version. Still made a mess of his time in court, but now he's thinking about getting a lawyer, which is already a step ahead of most of these folks. So what do y'all think? True sovereign citizen? Or just a confused dude with some seriously bad legal advice? I gotta say, this hearing ended on a surprisingly decent note. The judge told him to mute, and it's like something finally clicked. Maybe yelling about being a living man doesn't win court cases. Now he's talking about hiring a lawyer. Thank you. The man's on probation and facing real time if convicted, so yeah, maybe having someone who actually studied law is a good call. The judge even told him to show up to his next Zoom hearing from the sheriff's office, which is perfect. He'll definitely stay chill in that setting. Honestly, I'm kind of proud of him for turning it around. So what do you think? Still clinging to that sovereign citizen stuff? Or did he finally snap out of it? Drop your take in the comments. Appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.